innocent families. From Ohio to Missouri,
I just don't understand how they could confuse the addresses.
Kansas,
Guns drawn, there's about 15 cop cars. They're all hiding behind the doors with the guns pointed at my house. They literally came here on a whim thinking that I killed someone.
She and her boyfriend were held in cuffs for an hour before police finally let them go.
Georgia,
Sheriff's officer!
and this home in Atlanta.
I don't feel as if any kid should go through what I went through.
1 second, you're sound asleep. The next second, the FBI is in your bedroom.
1 second I'm asleep, next thing I know, I have a gun pointed in my face.
Gabe Watson was just 7 years old in 2017 when the FBI raided the wrong house in the middle of the night. Did you scream out for your mom? What did you do?
I was actually crying for my mom. I was just crying, hiding under my blankets, holding my hands in the air.
I would fight a lion with my bare hands to protect my child. And the thought of me not being able to get to him, that's the most devastating. As a parent, when you can't protect your child, it's the most devastating feeling ever. In my mind, it was just like, whoever this is, they're coming in to kill us.
Was your hand on the gun or close to it?
At this point, my hand was on the door because they're pulling on the door. The guns is right here, right at my side.
And I was just right here like, please, can I get my son? Can I get my son? And he kept telling me to be quiet, shut up. And I look up, it's just such a flashing light, and I just see SWAT. I'm like, it can't be SWAT. It can't be SWAT.
Throw me down on the ground, on the floor right here. I was saying to myself, oh my God, I believe they got the wrong house.
The FBI did have a search warrant, but it was for an entirely different address, 3 doors down and across the street. This footage from Atlanta police securing the perimeter is the only video of the raid. You can see the FBI SWAT team walking out of the Martin home. The wrong address clearly visible on the mailbox by the police cars.
Moving down the road. They said we're moving down the road.
So we're not holding perimeter for them while they search?
They said they're moving down the road.
The agents went to the next block and raided the house that was on the original warrant. Your door was off the hinges, right?
It was.
You had no way to secure your home that night.
I spent the night on the couch facing that door because it was open.
And you had no idea what was coming next.
Didn't have any idea what was coming next.
So they knocked the door down, and yes, it was a shocking experience, but in the end, no one was hurt, and it didn't really cost you anything. What has this cost you?
This costed me my childhood, you know?
This is the FBI photo of the target house from earlier surveillance, and this is the Martins house the FBI SWAT team photographed the day before the raid. You went to court, and the court ruled in favor of the FBI.
Yes.
And then you went to the appeals court, and the appeals court ruled in favor of the FBI.
Yes.
And now we've gone all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, and they've taken the case.
They've taken the case. They've taken the case. And then I just think about my son, he's 7, and just the trauma he went through, and just for finally somebody just to hear us out, just hear us.
Just 4 months after the Martin family raid,
This house?
just 2 counties away,
This house?
Sheriff's officer!
a Henry County SWAT team raided the wrong house and detained the innocent 78-year-old homeowner.
Show your hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Just like the FBI raid at the Martins,
Stand by, stand by, stand by, stand by.
the SWAT team relied on directions from the GPS on an agent's phone.
Missed it.
And the same federal appeals court in Atlanta ruled the police could not be sued. After this happened to your family, it has happened to family and family and family.
And we're just sitting back shaking our heads like, when is it gonna stop? And hopefully we are the ones that'll help to make that change. You know, we can't do anything about what happened to us, but we can stop it, hopefully, from happening to someone else.